So in 2018, a colleague and I received a collaborative National Science Foundation grant with the purpose of collaborating with families, particularly local families, and how do we engage them in engineering design practices in their home environment. Really thinking about the home environment as part of this larger ecosystem that we can really enhance the children's understanding of STEM concepts, practices, and skills. We had developed what we call MakeEngineering Kits. So kits kind of have a name, it's sort of a package. We use a lot of low-cost material, so we use straws, popsicle sticks, cardboard, things like that. We also have been playing around with the idea of creativity versus structure, so there's not a lot of structure built in, there's a lot of creativity that's built into these. We find that there's not a lot of research around family engagement in engineering in general, particularly not in home environments. So we find that our research has a huge significance on the field in terms of how do we structure ways and activities to actually engage families in collaboration and creativity. And so we're learning that children are developing an engineering identity, but it's sort of this accumulating experience that they're having that will shape their future as an engineer, whether it's in their career, whether it's as a citizen, whether it's as a hobbyist. They're sort of have these indications of I'm an engineer. And parents have really articulated how they see their kids being very inquisitive. And then we're also seeing parents really taking a lead role. They may or may not be in the STEM fields, but regardless, they're able to support their children as engineers. We see parents and caregivers playing a unique role that teachers or other educators is not able to do. I always get the question, how am I going to get graded? Always. So there's something about just being in a school that's where kids' minds directly go. So I think in school settings, in educational context, when there is a grade attached to your performance, it's going to be a negative thing. So I think until we learn how to not grade, failure is always going to be a negative thing. It's going to wear on you, it's going to wear on your self-concept. So that's where I lean on these out-of-school learning experiences to really support what does it mean to be a STEM professional, what does it mean to actually fail as a STEM professional, because it happens like in the moment. The way that kids can actually understand proper understanding of what it means to fail in STEM is actually experience it. It has to be a lived experience. You can talk about it till you're blue in the face. Growth mindset, fixed mindset is great, but I think it's where it happens that has the biggest impact on students' experiences with failure. My name is Dr. Amber Simpson. I'm an associate professor of mathematics education at Binghamton University.